Students, it is the solved numerical question about regression equation in midterm exam of Stat 701 Fall 2021. Regression concerned with the estimation of the values of dependent variable from a known value of independent variable. Students, otherwise you can also say that regression concerned with the estimating the values of independent variable from a known values of, here you will use dependent variable. General equation for y is equal to a plus bx, and similarly for x is also is equal to a plus bx. Now, as we have discussed that y depends on x and then x depends on y, from both sides the regression equation can be solved. Now it is the formula for y on x. So point formula or equation is equal to y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. And in case of x on y, x the formula is x minus x bar is equal to bx on y or bxy into y bar. Formulas to find out by on x and bx on y are as follows. Students, the formula of by on x is denoted by one of the following equation depending upon the values given. Number 1, by on x is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y by n summation x square minus summation x whole square. Next formula for by on x is as follows. If the values of correlation and standard deviation of y and x are given, then by on x is equal to correlation into standard deviation of y by standard deviation of x. Third formula for knowing about the by on x is as follows. If there is the given of the following values, that covariance and that of the standard deviation x, then you can use the following formula. By on x is equal to covariance of x into xy by standard deviation of x whole square. And similarly for bx on y, having three formulas as follows. Bx on y is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y oblique n summation y square minus summation y whole square. Next formula, bx on y is equal to or bxy correlation into standard deviation x by standard deviation of y. Third formula for bxy is equal to covariance into x into y or xy oblique standard deviation y whole square. So these were the formulas to find out the values of by on x and bx on y. So these are the formulas to know about the values byx or bxy. Numerical in the exam was find out the regression equation of find out the regression equation from the values given below. The values given were for x and y. X is equal to 2, 4, 5, 5, 8, 10, and y is equal to 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 12. By adding total values of x is equal to 34 and y is equal to 56. By multiplying x with y is equal to 12, 28, 45, 50, 96 and 120. Total sum of xy is equal to 351. X square will be getted by multiplying with the x with themselves. Suppose 2 into 2 is equal to 4, then 16, then 25, then again 25, 64 and last is 100. Whereas summation x square is equal to 234. Students, for knowing by on x, we will use the following formula. Byx is equal to n summation xy minus summation x summation y oblique n summation x square minus summation x whole square. We can get the value of by on x, which is the demand of the equation y minus y bar is equal to by on byx into x minus x bar. So here we will put the values of byx, which will be getted by putting the values. N is equal to 6 into summation xy is equal to 351 minus is summation x, which is 34, and summation y, which is 56. By again n is equal to 6. Summation x square is 234, and then according to formula we will take the symbol minus and then into summation x whole square. So summation x is equal to 34, and this is 34, and then it is when we put the value of x summation x, and this is whole square multiplying 6 into 351, we will get 2106 minus 34 into 56 by 2404, and the final solution of this by on x is equal to 0.81. Now we have byx is equal to 0.81, y bar is equal to 56, whereas y bar is equal to 56 by 6. 56 is summation y and 6 are the total number of the values, which is equal to 99.3, whereas x bar is equal to 34 by 6 is equal to 5.6. And this is the y bar and this is the value of x bar, which is 5.6. Now let's move toward the equation y minus y bar is equal to byx into x minus x bar. Putting the values of byx, which is equal to 0.81, we will get y minus y bar, which is 9.3, is equal to 0.81 into x minus x bar is equal to 5.6. By multiplying 0.81 with this brackets value x minus 5.6, we will get 0.81x minus 4.536. There is the same y minus 9.3. Students, remember that when this value 9.3, which is in minus shape, when moved towards the right side, it will become positive. So now 9.3 minus the minus value here is 4.536. So 9.3 minus 4.536 536 plus 0.81x. By further solving, we will get y is equal to 4.764 plus 0.81x. This is the answer. Now further, there are the two groups A and B uh, having the values 44.36 and 60. Further values of the group A are, you can say now, x is equal to mean, which is 44, and standard deviation is 5.60, and the group B, or you can also say which y is equal to 58, which is the mean, or y bar you can say, and standard deviation is 6.30. Correlation is also given, which is equal to 0.48, and means you can say that y bar and x bar is equal to 44 and y bar is equal to 58. Students, formula for correlation if is given is of bxy is equal to correlation standard deviation x by standard deviation of y. By putting the values, we will get 0.48 into 5.60 by 6.30. We will get 0.42, the value of bx on y. When these values are given, the equation is x minus x bar is equal to bxy into y minus y bar. X minus 44 is equal to 0.42, which is the value of bxy, into y minus y bar, which is equal to 58. 44 when moved towards right side will become a positive, so 44, the step next step is to multiply 0.42 with y and 58. When we multiply them, we will get 0.42y minus 24.36.